Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and connect itch.io with Discord for developers. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So I'm going to make things very clear for you in this video. If you go to itch.io and go to settings, as you can see, and go to connected accounts, there's no such way to connect Discord at all right over here. Even if you go to Discord itself, so let me just go ahead and open Discord, go to settings of Discord itself, and then go to connections right over here. As you can see, there's no itch.io right over here, right? There is GitHub, there is everything else, but there's no itch.io. So the only way you can actually connect a Discord with your itch is going to be via something like IFTTT, which are going to be paid. However, this is the only way you can go ahead and automate notifications, update about indie games, get alerts for free, and stuff like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.